my goodness. What a day. What a day we had today on the trading desk. I wish you could have all joined us. It was so much fun. I'm Brett Rosenthal. We're running a virtual hedge fund experience. I ran hedge funds for over a decade. I still manage capital privately and professionally. Been doing it for over 30 years. And what I'm doing for you every single day at 4:05, I'm going to share with you the number one stock chart of the day for us right off of our trading desk. So what were we trading? What do we make money in? Where are we focusing our time? And the purpose of this is to share with you a strategy for managing capital, okay? You're the portfolio manager on the desk. I call it a virtual hedge fund experience. You're the portfolio manager. I'm going to share information now, and your job is to see if it fits into your risk profile, fits into the goals, what you're trying to do with your portfolio. That's your job. I'm going to share with you our experience and the tools we use to develop information that makes money. And I'm going to show you how we execute, how we use that information to make money. And then you determine whether or not it works for you. I want to share this thought with you guys right off the bat, okay? We're doing a free 5-day trial. So if you want to join us on the desk and see what it is we do all day, feel free. Do a video just like this. I'm going to share screens all day, and I'm showing you guys step by step how we trade. And then we have a very active ARMR Insider community sharing their ideas. So we're crowdsourcing information and improving all of our performance. All right, the number one stock chart of the day. If you like this video, don't forget you can subscribe to our YouTube channel here. And of course, feel free to share this video and this channel with friends that you think could benefit from this. This was a hard day for me to choose what's the number one stock chart of the day, right? Because we had a huge day trade in the S&P. We got long the S&P on that green box right here with a 300% exposure to the market. So our entire day trading portfolio, long SPXL, and we banked out right up here at these yellow dots, which is also the average true range high today. So did I choose the S&P as the number one chart of the day? No, can't do it. Can't do it. The number one chart of the day has to go not to Airbnb, which we were doing research on the desk. Okay, so this is something I think research should be done on. The number one chart of the day has to be the semiconductor index. And what we're doing here is we're long triple the S&P index. Okay, so we're long SOXL, which was up about 10% on the day. So SOXL was up 10% on the day. It's a position we already own in our portfolio, and we added to it today as it popped, okay? The reason why I'm choosing the entire semiconductor index as the number one chart of the day is because I want to highlight the fact that there are so many semi ideas we can own. It's true, okay? I've got guys on the desk talking about, obviously NVIDIA, right? Obviously AMD. I get it. I get AMD. Okay. But whoops. But what we have here is a malfunction. All right. So I'm going to go to the SOXX on our day trading chart. Okay. What I want to share with you is this. The semiconductor index as a whole, I can't possibly choose one semi name. I mean, we could go through a list a mile long, right? I could go through MRVL, for instance. That chart looks great. Here it is, right? MRVL, AMAT. Okay, the list goes on. The semiconductor index is blowing out. And so I wrap up my thought, and I'll see you tomorrow, same time, same station with the number one chart of the day. But today I suggest that research be done, if you haven't already done it, on the whole group. And what I like about triple the index is that I ask you, can you identify which one of these names is going to outperform the whole index by a factor of 3 on a swing trade? Now, if you want to argue with me, I want to make investments I'm going to hold for the next 5 to 10 years. I get it. You're not going to trade triple the semis. But for a swing trade, it's going to be hard to find a semi stock that's going to triple the entire group. And so I like that for a swing trade. I recognize there's more risk in a triple, but at the same time, there's more risk in an individual name. Never know when the company makes an acquisition, announces a secondary, whatever, gets a downgrade. I don't have to worry about any of that. I think there's money flowing into semis, and I want that piece to be on the semiconductor index. And if I don't like triple the index, then I'm going to put 3 times the size. So let's say I have 10 positions in the portfolio, 10% each, and I don't want to trade the triple. I'll have 30% of my capital in SOXX, and I've just covered all my semiconductor investments. Those are my thoughts for you today. I hope you found them helpful. If you did, don't forget, you could subscribe right here to the YouTube channel. Share this channel with anybody you think would find it valuable. And don't forget, we have a free trial today. We have a free trial every day. Go to the website. You can click on it. You can join us for 5 days on the desk and see what we're talking about here. Join the conversation. Start gathering the information that can make money for you. Start gathering the information that can protect capital. That's what we do as a virtual hedge fund. I look forward to seeing you guys on the desk.